So, Giovanni, you may not know this, but we require all of our tree lighters to have some special qualifications. Now, as I understand it, when you grow up, you want to be a police officer. Well, the chief and I were talking, and if it's okay with you, we'd like to make you a junior Capitol Hill police officer for today. So, Chief, if you'll put the badge on, now you're official. So, Giovanni, you got the hat, you got the badge. Giovanni, here is the switch right here. No, the other hand. Other whoa, not yet. You and I do this together. All right? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Isn't the tree beautiful, ladies and gentlemen? Well, let me thank you for coming and joining us tonight, and joining Speaker Gayner, the Washington State Congressional Delegation, the Forest Service, the terrific Marine Band, and all of us for this year's tree lighting ceremony. Thank you. Merry Christmas and have a good evening.